You are flying your FPV drone, weaving through some trees or exploring a tight space. You are having the time of your life. Then, it happens. You clip a branch. You bump into a wall. The drone tumbles and hits the ground hard. Your heart drops. You run over to check the damage. The propellers are fine. The frame is intact. But then you look at the camera. There is a massive scratch right across the lens. Suddenly, your expensive drone is useless. You are looking at a huge repair bill. You have to send it away for weeks. If you fly FPV drones, you know this exact panic. DJI knows it too. And with the upcoming DJI Avata 360, they are finally fixing this massive problem. But that is not all. They are also doing something with the battery that makes absolutely no sense, but in the best way possible. You are getting more power for less money. Yes, you heard that right. Let that sink in. Today, we are going to talk about everything leaked and rumored about the DJI Avata 360. We will cover the new lens kit, the shocking battery price, the expected March 12th teaser, and why this might be the best drone DJI has made in years. Stick around, because this changes everything for FPV pilots. To understand why the Avata 360 is such a big deal, we need to look back. The first DJI Avata came out in 2022. It was a huge step for drones. FPV flying used to be just for hardcore hobbyists. You had to build your own drone. You had to know how to solder wires. DJI changed that. They put the thrill of FPV into a box that anyone could buy and fly right away. You got that amazing first-person view without needing a degree in engineering. Then, the Avata 2 dropped in 2024. It was better in almost every way. It had a better camera. It flew smoother. It had better sensors. It was a great update, but it was safe. It did not really change the game. And it still had one massive flaw. The camera lens. If you scratched the lens on the Avata 1 or Avata 2, you were in trouble. You could not just swap it out easily. You had to send it to DJI. It cost a lot of money. It took a lot of time. This was crazy because the Avata is meant to be flown close to things. It is built for tight spaces. You are going to crash it. It is just a matter of time. DJI made a drone that could survive a crash, but a camera that could not. Now, the Avata 360 is here to change the rules. It is not just a small update. It is a totally new way to fly and film. The biggest rumor is that it will record full 360-degree video. This means the drone films everything around it all at once. It films the front, the back, the sides, everything. Imagine what you can do with that. You do not have to worry about pointing the camera perfectly while you fly fast. You just fly. Later, when you are editing the video on your computer or phone, you can choose where the camera looks. You can reframe the shot entirely. This is a massive leap for creativity. But the best part is how DJI is handling the hardware. Let us talk about that lens problem again. The leaks say DJI is releasing a special lens kit for the Avata 360. It will cost around $50. For $50, you get 2 replacement lenses and the tools to change them. This is huge. If you crash and break the lens, you do not panic. You do not mail the drone away. You just sit down, unscrew the broken lens, put the new one on, and you are flying again in 5 minutes. This takes so much stress out of flying FPV. You can take more risks. You can get better shots. DJI is taking a page right out of the action camera playbook. Cameras like the Insta360 X5 already do this. It makes perfect sense to bring this to a 360 drone. Then there is the battery. This is the part that really shocked everyone in the drone community. Drone batteries are expensive. If you want to fly for a whole afternoon, you need 3 or 4 of them. Usually, when DJI releases a new drone, the batteries cost more than the old ones. Not this time. Leaks suggest the Avata 360 battery will cost around €70. The Avata 2 battery costs about €100. So, it is €30 cheaper. But wait, it gets better. The new battery is not smaller. It is actually bigger. The Avata 2 battery is 31.8 watt-hours. The new Avata 360 battery is rumored to be 38.6 watt-hours. You are getting a bigger battery, with more flight time, for less money. This never happens in the tech world. It shows that DJI really wants people to buy this drone and fly it a lot. They are making the running costs much cheaper. This is incredibly smart. It makes the drones. We also have to look at the competition. DJI is stepping into a space that other companies have controlled for a long time. Insta360 is the king of 360 cameras right now. Their cameras are small, tough, and have amazing software. GoPro also has the Max camera. They have big fan bases. But DJI has a massive advantage. They make drones. You can stick a 360 camera on a pole, but you cannot make it fly through a forest at 40 miles per hour. That is what the Avata 360 offers. It gives you true aerial 360 capture. It combines the freedom of a drone with the freedom of a 360 camera. You just cannot get these types of shots any other way without building a heavy, expensive, custom drone rig. DJI is taking something very difficult and making it easy for everyone. So, when is this all happening? The rumors point to a major teaser dropping around March 12th. DJI loves to show off their best features in these teasers. I would bet money we see a video of someone crashing the drone, breaking the lens, and swapping it out right there in the field. It is the perfect selling point. Of course, we still have questions. We need to know the final price of the drone itself. We need to see real video quality from the camera. We need to know exactly how many minutes of flight time